You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this rank or ranking in the army, the police. There are different pronunciations, but mainly British English pronunciation, how to pronounce corporal, corporal. No, now the second syllable you can either say p, corporal, or just skip entirely the p syllable and go corporal, right? P-R, pro. So corporal. Now the Americans say it as similarly with more pronounced R's, corporal, corporal, American English pronunciation, corporal, British English pronunciation, how to pronounce corporal. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.